Hello guys, so on this video I want to show you a step-by-step guide how you can invest your money on Revolut, or if you want to invest in stock and you don't know the application that you have to use that is 100% free. So we have to use Revolut on this video so to invest in stock. Before I go to my Revolut application, what I want you to do before you invest in any company, do your proper research. This is a warning. Do your proper research before you invest in any company at all, because this will help you to understand if this company is reliable company. There is risk in all business. This is not to tell you that you will not lose money or you will lose money. This is just to tell you to do your own proper research to see if the company is going to last for long and if the money that they are making is stable or is not stable. No, you just need to look at their stock to make sure that you understand how their stock is moving. If it's dropping, how much are they losing? How much did they lose in the last 2 years, in the last 3 years, in the last 4 years? So these are the things that you need to do research about, because it will really help you to understand the company more and have that confidence of investing more money into the stock. So what you have to do now is to go to your Revolut app. This is my own Revolut app on my smartphone. I will click on it. So normally it's going to land you on your home page of your Revolut application. What I want you to pay attention on is this part where it said invest. Click on invest. So once you click on invest here, it's going to bring you to this page and you are going to see the total capital that you have invested on all the stock that you have by yourself. So you can see my total capital that I've invested on my own Revolut app. And if you want to invest, the first thing you need to do is to add money into your investment account. So I'm going to add $20 into my investment account. So to add money, I will click on the part where it said add money. So once I click on that, it will ask me if I want to add in euro or in US dollar. So I will click on add in euro. So once I click on add in euro here, I'm going to add 20 euros into my investment account. I'll click on add. As you can see, you have found your euro wallet. So what we need to do now is to go to the part where it said trade. I'll click on trade. So once I click on trade, it's going to pop this up that you can see on the screen here, or you can search for any company that you have in mind. Let us say, for example, you want to invest in Coca-Cola. You can search for Coca-Cola and it's going to pop up. So once it pops up here, what you have to do is to click on Coca-Cola. So as you can see now, I have clicked on Coca-Cola and it has shown us the page of Coca-Cola inside our Revolut app. So you can see that the price of Coca-Cola currently right now is $59.92, which for me is a good thing because Coca-Cola price was about $58 or $57 within some days ago. And one thing I want you to pay attention to or pay attention on is to look at what have happened within 1 week ago, within 1 month ago, within 6 months ago, within 1 year ago, 5 years ago, March. So you need to check the analysis of the company that you are trying to invest your money on, because this will really help you. Like I said from the beginning, it will really help you, and it will really help you to invest more money on the company, or it will help you to leave your money on that company because you believe that this company will not go bankrupt, or there will not be any crisis that will be happening on that particular company that you have invested your money into. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention on. Another thing I want you to pay attention to is don't invest like $1,000 in a company that you yourself know that you don't know what is going to happen to this company. If it's a new company, old company, don't invest a lot of money. Start with lesser amount of money. So on Revolut, you can invest a minimum amount of $1, which is a pie of stock. So those are pies of stock, so you are going to be accumulating like cents every time. But this is just to tell you that you don't need to invest a lot of money. You can invest from $1 to $1,000 into stocks on Revolut. So that is one thing I like about you investing money on Revolut. That is why I say you should use it, because it's simple. Just use it. If you don't know anything about investing in stocks, just start with Revolut. From there, you can start getting the understanding of how stock work, what is stock, and how much you can make when you invest in stock. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention to. It's very, very important. Currently, right now, Coca-Cola market cap is $261 billion. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention to. Look at the market cap and look at the EPS, which is earning per share. So the money you are getting when you buy one share from a company. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention to. And you need to still pay attention to the dividend. This is money, the money that you are getting every single day. As long as you are investor in that company, you will be getting this interest from that your money that you have invested on that particular company. Let us say you invest in Coca-Cola. You'll be getting like 3% interest from your investment that you have invested on that particular company, which you can see here, which is Coca-Cola. That is one thing I want you to pay attention to. It's very, very important. Those are the basic things I want you to pay attention to if you want to start investing in any company. So make sure you look at the market cap, the EPS, which is earning per a share, and you have to pay attention to the dividend. So those are the things I usually pay attention to. But if there is other thing you yourself you are paying attention to, leave me that comment in the comment section. I really want to hear from you and learn from you just like you are learning from me. Once you have looked at all these old things, then if you want to invest, the next thing you have to do is to go up and you will see a button that will be asking you to buy. So buying is like you want to invest in the company, while selling is that you want to withdraw your money from that particular company. If you are afraid or if you make some money and you feel like withdrawing some part of the money into your account and withdraw it to do whatsoever you want. But me personally, I like leaving my money for a long time. So I don't invest that short-term investment. I like investing on long-term investment, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 18 years, or 20 years investment. So that is me. You have to choose and look at the company that you want to invest on. Is very, very important. So I want to buy $20 share from Coca-Cola. If I click on buy now, it's going to pop up here. And let us say I want to invest. All I need to do now is to type in $20. And once I type in $20 here, it's going to be telling me that, okay, I have that money on my account. I can just deposit it. So what I need to do here is to say, okay, let me put in $18. So once I put in $18 here, I will click on buy. And this money will be invested on my Coca-Cola account. But you can see that it's not working because for me to invest in Coca-Cola, I need to convert my money into US dollars. So all I need to do now, to do that, we need to go back to our own app. I will go back and go back and go back. So if you come here, you will not find the convert tab here. You need to go to the home page. Go to the home page here and click on the part where it said exchange. So once you click on exchange here, you will see that you can convert your money from dollar into euro, from euros into the currency that you want. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention to here. So but what I need to do here now is to convert. Let me say I want to convert like $20. So I will click on that and I will click on like 20 euros. No, 20 euros. I will click 20 euros and I'll click on review, and you will see that I'm not paying a fee. This is 100% free. I'll just click on sell euro to US. So I'll click on that, and as you can see, have been sold. All I just need to do here is to go to my invest tab, and once I come to my invest tab, I'll click on add money here. Once I click on add money, I will click on add US dollars, and once I click on add US dollars, I will click on the part where it said I should add it in US. So I will click on this icon here and click on US dollars, and all I just need to do here is to add 20 US dollars into my trading account. So once I do that, the money will be added into my trading account. Then the next thing I have to do, I need to go and click on trade. So once we click on trade here, we are going to recently viewed. So I'll click on Coca-Cola, and here I will click on buy again. So once I click on buy again here, the next thing I have to do is to click on the price. Let us say I want to buy $10 share of Coca-Cola. I will click on $10 and I will click on buy. So you can see that is 100% free. I'm not paying any fee. So that is one thing I like about Revolut, and I will click on submit. So once I click on submit, once the market is open, Coca-Cola is going to launch my share, and they are going to notify me, letting me know that the share I placed have started working for me. And every single day I'll be getting a pie of that particular company that I have invested my money into. That is how you can invest on Revolut stocks. So I just want you to let me know what you think about Revolut and what you have learned from this video, and let me know if you want me to make more in-depth video about how you can use Revolut and how much I have made personally from this platform myself. And just let me know that in the comment section below, guys. So I'll say thank you very much. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on my next upcoming video.